Okay, so let's call on the escort, the man of her life, Mr. Perlito Sulit, the one and only. Let us to render a great song to our birthday celebrant.
Hello. Hello. Good evening, everybody. I thought I'm not included on this part because it's not my. See, I told you. Because nobody has invited me. I'm just in my house resting and watching Netflix. You know, I don't want to go because you know, I'm a same as the people. That, you know, I'm not a politician. Anyway. Here I remember the year 1966. We got married. Imagine that, 666. And up to now, my age is secret. and my partner, the only one in this world. Now she looks like 79. And still young and beautiful. It's not a joke. You know, man, just me and my wife, it's only a sample of, you know, just like everything, you know. Just follow our steps and let's be good. Because up to now, I'm still suffering for the year coming, you know. Thanks God, I'm alive. You know, there's so many don'ts. Like don't see, don't look a beautiful and pretty lady. He's so jealous, you know. Because I'm the only one who's good looking. They think that I'm handsome. That's a big mistake. I only look like Piolo Pascual. One more buckle. Hanap pa. Anyway, this is serious now. We are not in the hospital. So I love you enough. My love, my sweetheart, the only one in my life. And get the spark, I will fight. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. I thought I can speak English. But this time, you know, I learned something to my neighbor. And akala ko, dadating si Bongbong Marcos. Kasi lahat tayo nakapula. Why? What's the matter with you guys? Why you dress like that? We are not in the Philippines. I am, you know, senior. Not senior, but double senior. What else? What else? I don't think anymore. That's it. Is it boring or what? Come on. guys. Anyway, I'm not drunk. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming. I love you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bakit na ba ako? Kalbo na ako eh.